Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
And I'm Uncle Don.
We are at Disney California Adventure and we're doing
Christmas related food and rides. And there's Donald right there, see, all lit up.
Let's go, let's have a magical night here. If you like Disney content, definitely follow us over here. Turn on the notification bell so you know time and day we release our video. Alright, so at the DCA, this is the Cars Land. The ornament is very interesting. What's it? Oh, that's a oil.
That's what they call a cornucopia.
Cornucopia, what's
See?
that?
Actually, no, it's a French horn. Look, walk over here. Just keep filming. Keep filming, keep filming, keep filming.
Oh,
keep filming.
Got it.
French horn.
The can for the engine oil. You
notice
that?
Oh, yeah.
Let me show you.
See, horn o' plenty.
That is cool ornament. So we're gonna check out the radiator store here, see what they have. They have new wish pins here. But they're not that good, so I think.
Wah, wah, wah. Oh,
Yeah.
Did I do that on the...
Yeah, they're nasty. Oh yes, let's check out the pinboard. Okay, thank you. All right, so we're at Flow A Cafe. The new food, the spicy guacamole cheese
and bacon.
bacon cheese sandwich. That looks
Not gluten-free.
Not gluten-free. And then this is the gluten-free cheeseburger. That looks good.
It does
with a
look
grilled
good.
onion inside.
Yep.
Look at that. See that? And then this is gingerbread milkshake. I feel like we need to eat this first. That looks good. So let me ask you, Uncle John, do you like they put all the condiment on the side, or you like them all in the bun already?
I like it when they put it on the side.
Oh, really?
Because then it doesn't get soggy.
Ah, I see.
Okay, so I'm going to try French fry first. Very good.
Called a steak fry here. You're taking the first bite. That looks yummy.
I love burger. It's really good.
Yeah? The meat is juicy.
Meat is juicy. It's cooked right. It's good.
You know, you took so many ketchup. We better use some. You can feel the spicy right. Oh, like a jalapeno spicy.
Really?
Oh my God.
Yeah, usually Disney is not spicy.
No, this is so good. Very messy.
Messy but good.
It's very fresh, the guacamole. The bacon, I think I can do it without the bacon. Bacon kind of soft a little bit. Not much flavor on bacon, but oh, spicy. No, really spicy.
Really? Wow, if it's spicy for Steve, it's very spicy.
Yeah. So Uncle Don said that they have the gingerbread milkshake last year.
Yes.
Clearly, I can't remember what we filmed last year. I like the little cake on top. Very Christmas-ish looking.
Wow. It's very good.
Yeah. Try some of the cream on the top with the. I think it's a gingerbread on the cream. Yeah.
Gingerbread, it's like flavored sugar or something.
Oh, really? All right, so we just finished eating. It's pretty good.
It's good. The gluten-free burger was very
The
good.
burger's good, but the gingerbread drink, I did not
It
drink
wasn't
anymore.
as good as it was last year.
So yeah, I did not drink it. Okay,
So we're heading over to Disneyland now.
let's go. What happened right now? Half the ride is closed and half the park is blocked because the fireworks show coming up. Yeah.
Completely clogged.
Yeah, we are by the
So
New
we're
Orleans.
walking like cattle.
Oh no, we missed it. Oh, tonight's been a disaster. A lot of the ride that we want to go on, they're closed. And there's apparently this new water show at Frontierland. And I didn't even know about
Rivers
that.
of America, and it's like, it's not on the list, and we walked up to film it, and it lasted
Twice. We walk into the
lasted
ending.
5 minutes and it was over.
Okay.
Like, what's up? We're just out of sync tonight.
Not cool. Okay, well, let's continue our journey tonight.
We're
The
gonna
night's
try
young.
to go.
The night's young. They close at midnight.
Yeah, the night's young for most people. For us, it's like.
Okay, well, let's try to get some
we're
coffee.
gonna go try to get some coffee.
Okay. So this is the line wrap around the Tiana for the main Julep Bar
For beignet.
for beignet and coffee. And we thought, oh, we can go on the train. But what happened?
Train is shut down until after the fireworks.
Oh my God. How long we've been waiting here? At least 20?
I think it's now about, I don't know, 3.5 days.
We can't even get coffee. This is crazy. So slow. And then the firework got canceled.
Fireworks got canceled. The mojo at Disney tonight is like,
Although we got something really cool from Club 33.
we did.
So if you want to see what I got, leave a comment below. We might do an unboxing video.
So hang in there, we're still in line, so.
So this is what I have here at Main Julep Bar. And we're gonna go get the kitty cake beignet. So this is the peppermint beignet.
I think. Smells
It
like
smells like it, yeah. The powder has a peppermint color in there. You can see that little pink color.
it has a hint of peppermint in there. Wow.
Oh, I never noticed this. See the hair coming down? Wow. So what happens? We decided to go home to Charlotte.
Because
It's been a rough night here. Yeah, but it's okay. It's still a magical night here.
magical.
It is magical. Something you're always gonna remember the horrible night we have here.
Yeah, that's for sure. Definitely remember.
Yes. So we're gonna go home now. Make sure you subscribe YouTube channel over here. Turn on notification bell so the time and day we miss our video. And follow Uncle Don at.
Let's see if I can remember and not screw it up. Epicurious_Uncle Don on Instagram.
Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.